Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And today, well, I've had a little bit of problems with the rats. Not really, nothing major really, but as I was sitting enjoying a beer in a garage yesterday, I found not one, not two, but 3 nails in the back tire of my rat. And this is not the first time this has happened. About like 10 months ago I had the same issue. There's a random nail in there, no idea where it came from, but I do believe that it comes from somewhere in my own driveway. So it's not my fault, but it's kind of my fault because it's in the driveway. It's not random because this is the only place I drive that bike over every day, so it's the only place that makes sense that I've picked up now in total 4 nails into the back tire. The other reason I believe that the nail comes from my backyard is because there's a big construction site right next to my house, and they use my driveway to store their stuff, which is fine with me. Well, if the nails come from them, it's not so fine with me, but what can you do? There's also always people fucking about on there, so I believe someone maybe have dropped a nail or whatever in there, or maybe this there from the past, I don't know. The other place I believe the nail might be coming from is this old sand pit here, which is right in front of my bikes that I drive over. But I'm gonna find out if there's any more nails that can go into my tire by using something I bought on Amazon yesterday. A massive fishing magnet. I'm just gonna run this over the ground, over here, over here, over here, everywhere that I drive, and hopefully pick up the rest of the nails so I don't have this issue in the future. Let's just start by checking the old sand pit here. Yeah, so that's just a quick runner of that sand pit. And that's all nails. So I think the main issue is that sand pit. But let's see if we find some other places. I found quite a lot of shit when I did that, and a lot of nails that could puncture my tire or any other tire. And that is really fucking annoying. I mean, most of it I found here. Found some there, but most of it I found here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my bikes around so that I can park differently in the future, for hopefully avoid this. Honda ZB500s are heavy. The things you find when you do spring cleaning. Bones. Parking the bike up like this will probably be a better idea. Come in the gate, just ride straight up here, park it there, probably with the front in, but it's parked like this now. Then I avoid the pit of tire doom. And now I need to see how I can find probably 400 something euro while in lockdown to change the tires. Yeah. So we found the source of the problem. We found out how I keep getting nails in my tires. Now the next thing to do is to find out how much it will cost me to get a new one. And then start scraping together cash from somewhere so I can change it, because, yeah. The price is just like I thought. Coming out of the tire shop now. 226 euro he says to change the back tire. I guess it's not that bad. If I would have been working full time, that wouldn't have been an issue at all, but I'm not working full time at the moment, so yeah. Gonna go see if I can get it any cheaper somewhere else. It's a shame that it's illegal to repair a motorcycle tire here, because that would have just saved me so much issue. You know, with a car, if you have a nail in it, they can pull it out and, like, you know, just repair it, which they can do with cars, but it's illegal with motorcycles. I don't know if it's like that all the way around the world, but it's illegal here, that's for sure. So, which means that they can't be fixed. I mean, I can fix them myself and then no one will say anything. But then on the 2-year inspection, they will not let it pass. And also, there's 3 nails in my tires and 2 of them are like right next to each other, so I don't think I can fix it, to be honest. Riding around with nails in your tires like this is not a very good idea. I don't recommend you do it, because my tire is losing pressure constantly and I have to keep refilling it, and one day it will most likely blow up. So I'm taking a risk just driving it this far that I'm doing right now, but I have no other way to deal with this problem, so I'm just gonna take that risk. But hey, coming up on option number 2, let's see what offer they can make me, but I feel like they can't do that much better. But the guys here are my mates, so I would rather give them the money than the other guy. It's actually funny, I was here yesterday but with the Road King, and we drove all the way down to Dresden. For you, that was probably last week. They're probably just like, Sean, what the fuck you doing? So let's see what they say. If you watch my videos, you know this place. I'm here all the time. So the boys there, they gave me the same price, but they're my mates, so I've decided to give them the money instead. They can do it on Thursday, which is great. But the guy was like, do you maybe want to leave the bike here? It's not very safe to ride around like that. And I was like, no, I can't leave the bike here. It's my only form of transport. I didn't ask if they wanted to borrow me an Indian as a replacement, which would have been really, really cool, but I think he would have offered it if so. So I don't have the money, but it needs to be done. So yeah. Oh man. And a good note is that it will get fixed, and this is a little bit of a shitty episode, but I wanted to take you along with my life, and it's a vlog, motor vlog, and you see that it's not all just glory about motorcycles. They're expensive. Things that you can do with cars, you can't do with motorcycles. Now the guy said that he could have fixed it, he wouldn't have mind because I'm a mate and stuff, but it's those 2 nails that are right next to each other that makes a big problem, which sucks ass, because it's basically a brand new tire. I mean, I rode around Europe on this tire, so I mean, I got something out of it at least, but it still sucks ass, because I could have ridden all this season and probably some of next season on this with no issues. And the worst part is that where I found this problem, or where this problem comes from, is from my own fucking driveway. But anyway, I have to ride back into town now. Gonna take a little easy and then come back out here on Thursday. So I will see you on Thursday, which will for you be just a flash in the pan. See you then. So here we are once again, 3rd time this week. So many beautiful bikes here. Look at that long fork chopper. Holy shit. That is fucking cool. They can keep this one and I'll take that one. Oh, that's done. New tire on there again. Hopefully this one will last a little longer than the last one. The good thing is that it's always a pleasure coming here to see the lads and talk to them and just be in the shop. They're so friendly and nice. I mean, I bought this bike from them, even though they're an Indian dealership. I know it's a little weird, this being a Triumph.
But you know, I bought this bike from them, I ride with them regularly, we have contact, so it's always a pleasure coming to see them. So if you're in the Leipzig area and need your motorcycle fixed, bring it to them up at the Indian dealership or Reva Motorsports. They will fix it, even though it's not an Indian. They're good lads, very good lads. And of course, if you're interested in an Indian, then also go to them, obviously. So next on the agenda for the day is not that much. I'm pretty tired today. We were riding a lot this week, so... But, you know, I never get enough of riding, so it's just a bad excuse to be tired, actually. But it's Easter now. It's Easter time. Easter starts today. If I would have been back home, I would have been down on the beach eating mussels and getting drunk. I probably would have been drunk now already. So in the true spirit of my hometown, Slemmestad, the capital of Norway, I'm gonna go and buy some beers and start drinking. And if you want to support me and this channel, then you can do that by buying me a beer. There's a link in the description down below. You press that and you can buy me a beer, or 2 or 3 if you feel like it. So I'm gonna leave you at that. Thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And until next time,